Act up, you could get snatched up. Act up, you could get snatched up. Act up, you could get snatched up. Dirty ass.
Gorgeousness, right? No. It's really not, y'all. It's not gorgeousness. But we will be, okay? So, your girl, I'm clean. I just got out the shower, you know. But I'm crusty, dusty, lusty. I'm not musty. We gotta change that. So, right now I'm putting my contacts in. Because, you know, I'm legally blind. We are not blind anymore, y'all. So, we might be a little blind because my contacts hurts, but it's cool. It's cool. It's perfectly fine. So I'm gonna start off with eyebrows. I never do these on camera. It takes me forever. But if y'all want a full tutorial, I got y'all. If not, I draw a line from here to here, from here to here, and I fill it in from here back. Y'all will see. I'm probably gonna speed this part up though. Just like that. And if it's ugly, it's fine. We're ugly anyway, so we'll just fix it with concealer. As y'all can see, this one looks way better than this one. And it hurts my feelings. And nothing I do to this one freaking works. Nothing works. And that's why. That's the T as to why I never do these on camera. The T. Okay? Which, I mean, I don't think my videos are like super duper short, but they're not like 20 minutes a piece, you know? Oh, and then I'm just taking my Shape Tape and carving these bad boys out. But yeah, just like that. We're gonna leave it unblended because we're bold and we're different. I think that's even. Then I'm gonna just take the extra and dot it on my ugly. You know, just all here. I think that's perfect. We're going out just like this. Yeah, I don't know how or why my boyfriend is with me because I'm a catfish and it's just that simple. No, so it's so funny. I was watching this girl's video today. Forgot her name. I will link it down below. So she's this really like pretty Indian girl. She lives in Dubai, and she was doing her makeup, and she was like, yeah, I don't understand why, I'm pretty sure it was her. Yeah, it was. She was like, I don't understand why I have these laugh lines. Like, I'm an 80-year-old old lady who, like, looks old and, like, wrinkled, but I do, so I have to deal with them. And, you know, honestly, so disrespectful, y'all. Anyways, the most relatable thing I've ever heard on YouTube. Then we're gonna put just that. But y'all, we're gonna see how this works out. I'm going to be trying to get into a 21+ club tonight. It's not a video unless I drop something. Y'all ain't know that by now. Are you really a subscriber? Like, seriously, guys. I drop something every single last video. So we're gonna take this, and I always do my eyes before foundation, like people that do it the other way around, like you're psychotic. So we're gonna take, and I don't know what I'm wearing, but if I'm wearing what I think I'm wearing, then I should do my makeup like this. So I'm gonna take, which one is closest to my skin? I'm gonna take this one right here. It's like my complexion, sort of. And is this brush clean? Hope so. Just gonna put that all right here, pretty much. But yeah, so we finna be in a club, we getting crunk, hopefully. But yeah, it's gonna be like 15 of us, 16 of us, and I'm the only one that's not 21. Then I'm gonna go in with this color marron. Okay, right there. Put that right underneath that color. Yeah, something like that. I have not gone to a club in like so long. Like when I say so long, okay, maybe it hasn't been that long. It's been like 7 months. It's decent. So then I'm gonna take, yes, I'm using the same brush, your girl broke. I'm gonna take this color right here. I'm not putting too much. I'm just gonna focus that like right in here. Just like deepen up the outer corner. I'm gonna take my like concealer brush, my thin brush, and I guess I'm cutting the crease. I guess. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using this one. Hopefully it's not ugly. Now I'm going to take with that other shade that's right next to it. This one. I was looking to make sure what side I had each on. Oh, great. I think it's this side. And I'm just going to put it like on the outer corner. I'm going to just take and, you know, do the little line for our lashes. Next, we're gonna take Roller Lash by Benefit. I don't know whether I want to wear these. These or I love how I'm like testing these. That was easy. Alright, so these are the lashes. They're gorgeous. You can't see them that well, I am sorry. It's okay, you guys will see them on my face. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna try something new. If you guys see a little bit of glue, don't worry, it'll dry. Trust me. So I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna put concealer on and then foundation and then concealer again, because I told y'all I'll be feeling like right here. As y'all can see, I'm not putting too much on. But I feel like right there, nothing helps. Nothing. So I'm gonna make it help this time. Then I'm gonna take, where's my MONEYYY 2-in-1 foundation. Y'all already know the drill. Actually, I'm gonna take a little bit of oil. Great. Oh, that's an oil stain I'm never gonna get out. Beautiful. Just put a little bit of oil right there. Then I'm gonna go in. Alright, then we're gonna go back in with more concealer. Yes, we're kicking out today. Hopefully, I feel more pretty than I normally do. And right after I conceal, I'm gonna go right in with powder to set it, so we not creasing. Going in with my MAC Golden Deposit. Then I am gonna bake right here. You know, I'm gonna go in with these two. I just figured out how you're supposed to contour your nose. No, I never knew that. Oh, we're just gonna... Sorry, y'all. I'm really a mess right now. I'm gonna go back in with this palette, and I'm gonna use this color right here. And we're just gonna put that like right underneath my eye. We're gonna take a combination between this roller lash and this MUA mascara, and we're gonna put it on our lower lash line. This is MAC Whisper of Guilt. Beautiful. Oops. Well, we'll fix that. I have this MUA Professional Intense Gel Liner. It's supposed to be for your eyes, but instead, we're gonna use it for my lips. Then we're gonna go in with this lipstick. It's called 267 Plum. Alright, so we're done with that. Now it's time for hair. Alright, now that we look more extra than extra herself, we're gonna take and I'm not redoing a lot of my hair. My hair, I already washed it last night. I detangled it. I put all the stuff I like to use. So we're gonna make this really simple. So y'all can see it. Just pull these two pieces out in the front. Now there's two things I'm gonna do. My spray bottle that has water. We are just going to refresh these curls. Now for some reason, my curls in the front have not been as curly as they normally are, which is weird because I don't put heat on my hair like that or anything. Like, I let my hair air dry, whatnot. So I don't know if it's because I've been brushing it a lot. And yeah, so we're just trying to get this area wet because I don't like when my hair is frizzy. And we're gonna go in with a little bit of this. Okay, it's the Aussie Miracle and Moist Conditioner. And I'm literally, excuse the hair on my hand, this much, like one pump for both sides, okay? Now, I'm gonna do my edges real quick. Spray my toothbrush. And also I'm just going to take a little bit of this carrot oil. And I put that on the ends. And on the top. And y'all, that is the finished look. So if y'all want to see how I style this, what my dress is, where everything is from, y'all gotta follow me right here, right on the gram. You know, this is gonna be up before my giveaway is done, so if you want, I will link that video also. I think it's right here on this side, so that way you guys can get all the details. And one of the requirements is you follow me on the gram. So yeah, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, because come on, y'all know y'all think I'm popping right now. You should subscribe to your girl. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.